Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you unfollow somebody into your Bitget community. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. Simply tap into there, and after tapping into there, select your profile. Now, after selecting your profile, you will get to see this option of community. Now you just simply have to go over community option, and into here you will get to see this option of watching, fans and post. You will have to select watching option, and into there you can see all of the people who you are watching or following. It's the same thing, and in order to unfollow, you'll just simply have to tap into this watching button besides the profile of the person who you would like to unfollow. For example, I'm unfollowing this yo-yo, and after that you will directly get this option of unfollow. Simply tap there and the person will be unfollowed by your account. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.